So this is a 1970 Trans Am. The gentleman that owns it is here. He bought it in 1976, but he's not comfortable with doing a video. He's 83 and he doesn't really like social media. I was talking to his son and I got permission to shoot it. So it's all original paint, original interior. Had a little bit of touch-up work, he said, on the paint, but the interior is original. So it's a 1970. And it's got the third pedal to the left. Boy, oh boy, look at, as a kid, I rode in these all the time. Never owned one, but that back seat, now that I'm an old guy. What a beautiful car, though. Pontiac Motor Division. Just a fantastic example